Do have 28 asamjukta hastamudra. Tataka, Tritataka, Ardataka, Kattari Mukha, Mayura, Ardhasandra, Aralu, Shukatunda, Mushti, Shikhar, Kapinda, Kataka Mukha. This is Kataka Mukha number 1. This is Kataka Mukha number 2. This is Kataka Mukha number 3. Suchi, Chandrakala, Padmakosha, Sharpashila, Mrigoshisha, Shimamukha, Kangulo, Alakanima, Chetura, Khomora, Hangsashun, Hangsapakha, Shamdamshu, Mukul, Tamrachura, Trishul.